Jin Guy and Mr. Joseph Franchise. You can now officially kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Jin Guy and Tricia Aljane Bator, Mr. Joseph Francois and Lunisa Aying Bator. My lasting and blessing word for all of you. To make your relationship work, it will take love. This is the core of your marriage and why you are here today. It will take trust to know that in your hearts you truly want what is best for each other. And it will take dedication to stay open to one another and to learn and grow together. It will take faith to go forward together.